I get the sense that there's obviously that risk-on feeling in the market these days, even though the market came down yesterday as a result of the fall in shares like Nigerian breweries. But what's the feeling like today? I get the sense that we're hearing about some large transactions in Unity Bank. That already suggests to me that the market continues to bubble.
Yes, the market is trying to reverse the downtrend of yesterday. And basically, you have Nigerian breweries that pulled the market down yesterday, taking it up today. So Nigerian brewery is up for about 2 naira. I mean, as of the last time I checked. But driving the volume, like you mentioned, is share of Unity Bank, which has done over close to 120 million units as of now. And generally, the banking index is slightly trading up because First Bank is a bit up and with Access Bank, while the rest of the mid-tier bank are also trading flat. You also, I mean, like I mentioned, the share of Unity Bank doing close to 120 million is also up with, trading at maximum price of 62 kobo, which is, I think, 10% over the closure price of yesterday.
All right, that Unity, if I can just point to that Unity Bank transaction, I guess those are the kind of things that would excite brokers. The fact that we're seeing huge deals being done on the market. So the market is extending the gains of last year. It's up, what, maybe about 50% if you trace it all the way to January 2012. What's the feeling of brokers these days about trading in the market, taking speculative positions?
Well, I think brokers are very upbeat about the market this year. I mean, people generally believe that what we had last year is not a fluke and it will continue this year. So a lot of brokers that possibly for one reason or the other did not join the market early last year are advising are joining the market on their own and at the same time advising their clients to take part in the market this year. So generally, and that is why you've seen the activity volume in the market this year has really gone up.
Yes, of course, the activity has gone up this year, Komi. And I want to hear your thoughts on what's responsible for that. Of course, you did mention that some brokers are getting more aggressive about buying into equities these days. But what about the fund managers? To what extent do you think they're getting involved this year?
I'm sure fund managers are also in the market, especially local fund manager. If you look at the report we've been getting, it's like the local participation in the market has gone up from the average of 30% at the middle of last year to over 40% now. That is where the volume is coming from this year. And like I said, some retail investors are also coming into the market. So it's a broad-based participation in the market you are witnessing, this time around. And also because, people are expecting the banks to start coming with the result in another couple of weeks. So you see people, trying to position for those things. Even those stocks that have gone up, people are not willing to let go. Even those who have made money and have made profit on them, because you think, people think that the result will be good and that corporate action will also be good. So there is no selling pressure on any of those stocks at the moment. So that is why you see that's why the market is not coming down and the participation is broad-based.